at the Bombay airport, and it's so huge, cultural, and like such artistic place. So we stayed at the lounge and had some food, basically our lunch, and also I had McDonald's. तो बेसिकली लाइक ये वाला टर्मिनल पे तो अभी बहुत कम शॉप्स एंड सब कुछ है बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट के, बट अगर मैं आते हुए जौन से टर्मिनल से आई थी लाइक वापस आते हुए, वहाँ पे तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ था. दिस प्लेस वॉज लाइक वुमेन ब्रांड करके शॉप था. यहाँ पे कुछ अच्छी इयरिंग्स थे. आई डिडंट परचेज एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट, बट या इट वॉज गुड. Hi, so everybody, like I have just like not reached here in Bombay. I have been here for like since 3 hours most probably, and I had a great flight experience with my doctor friend. I would say I just met new people, new kids, and we all just had a great time in that 2-hour flight. So after the 2-hour flight from Chandigarh to Bombay, we are here at the Bombay airport. It's huge, by the way. It's very very huge, and we are here stuck for 3 hours. Like there was a connecting flight. Now we are going to an island called Diu, something like that. So it's a 1-hour flight, so from here, and now it's just like the time for the flight to come in. It's by 3:20. It's already 3 p.m, so I'm expecting that to come by now. I already put the videos of the lounge and the McDonald's where we had our lunch, basically, sort of thing. And any other updates, I really don't know. I love Bombay, honestly. It's so fast. It's so freaking fast. As soon as you enter the airport, like you can't just see people rushing with their luggages and everything. It's like so fast, and taxis everywhere, auto rickshaws, बारिश आती मुंबई की बारिश and traffic, everything. And now we don't even know that the plane भी थोड़ा delay हो सकता है because of the बारिश thing. But I think so that, I mean, it's just so unbelievable sort of experience that I'm traveling after this type of travel after so long. And I also have a class today, so I really don't know what I'm going to do. But yeah, that was the update till now, so bye. Hi, so everybody, welcome to the vlog. This is me Hiya, and I know the welcome is getting really late क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास टाइम है कि मैं ढंग से बात कर सकूँ एंड जहाँ पे कोई भी like disturbance sort of ना हो आसपास. So yeah, so basically I'm at Diu. In Diu, it's an island basically, sort of. It's like a Goa thing, very like that chapter from English, like Bakers from Goa type वाली vibe है बहुत ज़्यादा. And I've already changed. I thought of going to the beach like we all thought, but it's like very humid and sort of the weather kind of because of the rain and stuff. The plane में भी इतनी ज़्यादा turbulence थी because of the weather conditions. It was like so fun. Scary things are made to be like fun, because so that like ठीक है, whatever happens. At the beach, it's the Nauga beach, I told you, and I didn't know I was visiting here, but yeah, here I am, and my hair is spoiled because of the weather, but yeah. So I'm just like hopping in this video to tell you about my stay at Radhika Resorts. It is not something sponsored. I'm making this forcefully. It's just a recommendation that if you are planning to visit over this Diu island, then you can definitely stay there, because I've already stayed there. So it is very like big, I would say, beach के एकदम सामने है, first plus point. एंड आई थिंक द फर्स्ट प्लस पॉइंट वुड बी कि एयरपोर्ट से एकदम लाइक 2 मिनट के रास्ते पे है. सेकंड बीच के एकदम सामने है. थर्ड, दे ऑल्सो हैव देयर ओन साइकिल्स. अगर आपको साइकिल चलानी है, सो यू कैन टेक दैट फ्रॉम द रिजॉर्ट, विच इज़ रियली ग्रेट. इट्स सच अ फन एक्टिविटी विद द फैमिली टू डू. एंड ऑल्सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा है. दे ऑल्सो हैव अ स्विमिंग पूल, बट बारिश थी तो उस वजह से लाइक बंद था. और एंड इट वॉज वेरी लाइक बिग, और रूम्स बहुत अच्छे थे. द फूड वॉज ग्रेट, हॉस्पिटैलिटी वॉज ग्रेट, एवरीथिंग वॉज गुड, एंड सब चीज़ें पास पास थी. So that was it for my review of this resort, and you can continue into the video. So here's me with a little update. I wanted to tell you guys like what we have done in this thing in what is called Diu, place called Diu. So it is basically island जहाँ पे like ये ना मतलब बहुत ही एक remoted area, like you can enjoy. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले कहा था कि अगर आपको आना है, but I think like the expenses by coming from like a flight to just 1-2 days, it's like you can plan coming to Diu. If you're coming to Gujarat this side आ रहे हो, तो एक दिन यहाँ पे आके you should have fun. We did lots of fun. We did cycling, we did like beach things, pictures, like I don't know how many pictures I've clicked today, and a lot of stuff done. एंड उसके बाद ऐसे था कि इतनी इरिटेशन एंड इतना गंद मच जाता है सर्वेंट बालों का, तो पूछो मत क्या हाल हो गया. देन मैं तो आके वही नहा ली थी एंड हम सब अब रेडी हो गए. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिनर. इट्स ऑलरेडी 7:30 7:40 समथिंग. तो अभी बस जाने लगे हैं. सो आई थॉट टू अपडेट यू गाइस. नावगा बीच है. बीच का नाम मैंने पहले भी बताया था. आई थिंक तब ऑडियो थोड़ी क्लियर नहीं होगी वहाँ पे. सो दैट बीच इज़ रियली लाइक आई वुड से ग्रेट ओनली. लाइक जैसे बीचेस होते हैं इट्स वेरी ह्यूज, बट आई थिंक बाकी बीचेस के कंपेरेटिव इट्स लाइक अ ओशियन सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आइलैंड है तो हर तरफ पानी ही पानी है. एंड एक्सेप्ट फॉर दैट आई डोंट थिंक वी डिड मच. सो दैट वॉज इट फॉर माई अपडेट.